Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best snow lights is probably one of the most enchanting additions to any holiday or winter-themed display, transforming ordinary spaces into magical winter wonderlands with their gentle, flickering glow that mimics freshly fallen snow. These lights are designed to evoke the serene beauty of a snowy landscape, bringing a touch of nature's tranquility and festive cheer right into your home or outdoor decorations, creating an ambience that is both cozy and breathtakingly beautiful for all to enjoy. Number 5. JMEXSUSS 200 LED White Fairy Lights. Illuminate your space with these bright and pretty white fairy lights. They create a comfortable and magical atmosphere, perfect for any room or occasion. Choose from 8 different lighting modes, including twinkling and steady on, to create the perfect ambience. They bring magic to your decorations and are ideal for holidays and celebrations. Easily control all functions, including brightness and the 6-hour timer, with the included remote. This makes decorating effortless for any event or season. These battery-powered lights are waterproof and portable, perfect for outdoor use without needing a socket. You can place them anywhere, worry-free about the weather. You'll receive 2 sets of these beautiful fairy lights, each with 100 LEDs and its own remote. Get ready to decorate twice as much. What we like. If you're looking to add a magical touch to your indoor or outdoor spaces, these lights are perfect. With a generous length and multiple modes, they offer great versatility. If you enjoy creating a cozy and enchanting atmosphere for bedrooms, parties, or holidays, you should consider these. What people say. The installation is almost invisible during daytime. After sundown, they work perfectly, and the patio that was dark at night now looks like party town when I switch these babies on. I am surprised by the strength and versatility of the copper wire and how easily these tightly wrap around the nail shank. After 3 summers, and mid-Atlantic winters, these are still in place and working like they did the first day I turned them on. The battery packs are apparently completely waterproof as they have been outdoors the whole time with no problems. Number 4. Solar Pathway Lights Outdoor Waterproof 8-Pack. Transform your garden, driveway, or walkway into a charming and secure space. These lights automatically illuminate at dusk, creating a welcoming glow for everyone. Enjoy 10 to 12 hours of light every night without any electricity costs. They charge by day and work all night, simply by being placed in sunlight. Designed to withstand rain, snow, and sun, these lights offer reliable performance year-round. Their waterproof construction ensures they last for years. No tools or wiring needed. Simply assemble the stakes and place them in the ground for instant ambient and accent lighting. With a modern metallic texture and clear glass, these lights add a stylish touch to your outdoor decor. They create an inviting ambience perfect for any occasion. Illuminate your garden, pathways, or doorway with brilliant ambient lighting. They add charm and create a warm, inviting atmosphere for holidays, parties, or everyday use. What we like. For those who want to enhance their garden or pathway with elegant and eco-friendly lighting, these are an excellent choice. They offer automatic operation and a beautiful aesthetic. If you appreciate a modern look and want to illuminate your yard without electricity costs, you should consider these. What people say. The lights are very bright and have a good range. Easy to install and adjust the brightness. The different color options are a nice touch. Number 3. Abrams Heated Lens LED Snow Plow Light Kit. Make snow plowing easier and safer with this powerful LED headlight set. Its bright, 40W illumination helps you clear snow effectively and keep roads safe. Setting up your new lights is a breeze. The kit includes everything you need, like left and right headlights, waterproof connectors, and mounting hardware, for a quick and easy installation. Experience reliable performance with these ultra-efficient LED lights. They offer a bright white light and an impressive lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, outperforming traditional halogen options. Adapt the lighting to your specific needs with high-low beam, dynamic turn signals, and front-rear position lights. Enhance the visibility and efficiency of various heavy-duty vehicles. Constructed from durable aviation aluminum, these lights are built to withstand harsh weather. They are IP68 waterproof, anti-freeze, and anti-ice, ensuring long-lasting reliability for your snow-clearing operations. What we like. If you operate heavy-duty vehicles like snow plows or trucks and need reliable lighting in harsh winter conditions, this kit is designed for you. Its heated lens prevents ice buildup, ensuring visibility. If you prioritize safety and efficiency during snow removal operations, you should consider this. What people say. These lights look great and cast out an amazing beam of light. The heated lens keep the ice off. And overall seem to be good quality. Seem to be high quality and easy to install. Heated lenses are a great feature and the glass lenses won't get hazy like polycarbonate lights. Number 2. 60 Amber Clear Super Bright LED Light Bar. Introducing a powerful 60-inch LED light bar designed for maximum visibility. Its super bright amber LEDs ensure you're seen in any situation. Featuring the latest generation of 1-watt LEDs with an incredible 100,000-hour lifespan. This light bar boasts 12 groups of 4 LEDs each for exceptional brightness. Choose from 20 front flash patterns and 3 rear traffic director patterns. It also includes integrated brake, turn signal, and cargo lights for complete functionality. Customize your lighting with tridirectional traffic control, steady or flashing cargo lights, and takedown lights. These can even synchronize with the main flashers. Built with a dual-board aluminum housing for heavy-duty performance and maximum durability. The adjustable no-drill roof mount ensures easy and secure installation. Enjoy peace of mind with our USA warranty and lifetime service. This light bar is built to last and backed by our commitment to quality. What we like. For professionals who need highly visible warning and work lights on their tow trucks, wreckers, or snow plows, this light bar is a robust solution. It offers various flashing patterns and additional cargo lights. If you require a durable, multi-purpose light bar for roadside safety and work illumination, you should consider this. What people say. Definitely recommend for hot shot vehicles, tow trucks and other vehicles in the industry. Is very bright but could use a better installation and user manual to learn all the features. Number 1. Snow LED Whitening Electric Toothbrush Polar Blue Gen 2. Introducing the Snow LED Whitening Electric Toothbrush. It's designed by dentists to give you a superior clean and a visibly whiter smile. Harnessing the power of sonic technology, this toothbrush delivers thousands of vibrations per minute. This effectively removes plaque and polishes your teeth. The built-in LED light works in conjunction with whitening treatments. It helps to accelerate the stain removal process for faster results. Choose from multiple cleaning modes to suit your needs. Whether you need a gentle clean or a deep polish, it has you covered. Never guess if you've brushed long enough. The integrated timer ensures you brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes. Enjoy the convenience of a rechargeable battery. It provides long-lasting power for weeks on a single charge, making it perfect for travel. Elevate your oral hygiene routine with this innovative electric toothbrush. Achieve a healthier mouth and a radiant smile effortlessly. What we like. If you're seeking an advanced oral care solution that combines effective plaque removal with teeth whitening, this electric toothbrush is a great option. It's designed with dentist input for optimal results. If you're looking for a modern, rechargeable toothbrush to achieve a brighter smile, you should consider this. What people say. Lots of settings make it where you can't go wrong depending on what you're looking to do. Clean, brighten, etc. The products I have used are not abrasive and therefore very gentle on my gums. My teeth feel so amazingly clean afterwards, and even though I already had fairly white teeth, I've seen a big difference. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.